This is just a regular Lego brick. But in this video, I've bought thousands of these bricks to build the craziest, most unsilicon Lego skyscraper. So let's start from the beginning. The first step is to make a good plan. First, how can we create such an elegant shape? I've wanted to build a building like this for a long time. For me, the most obvious method has always been to make each floor slightly offset from the one below. This method is technically completely feasible, but I always feel like we can go one step further. So how can we turn the impossible into possible? We use illegal building techniques to break Lego's conventions. The whole building method only needs this kind of brick. Just connect for such bricks together, then extend upwards to build. Can form a small spiral shape. This method is indeed feasible. But to build the entire skyscraper, a lot of these bricks are also needed. So I looked for suitable parts on the Wickling platform. A few days later, the package finally arrived. Although this package needed to come all the way from Slovenia, sent to Belgium, including shipping, even though it was the most cost-effective choice. Now let's unbox it and take a look. There are a total of 3,512 size brick blocks inside. First, we have to build the base frame. Next is to stack layer by layer. Even a fool can do this. In order to speed up the progress, my brother came over to lend a hand, but soon found that something was wrong. The whole structure doesn't rotate smoothly. It seems this building is too wide compared to the original design. So I decided to take it all apart and rebuild it. This is not an easy thing to do, but I'll start over. This time I reduced the width by a few bricks. I want to see if it can rotate more flexibly. Besides, the previous foundation was too wide for the city, and it was not in proportion to the building itself. Slowly, you can see a little difference, but as it gets taller, the effect becomes more and more obvious. I found there's room for improvement when I was calculating. I found the problem was the angle. This angle is clearly smaller than the design angle of the circle. To find the correct angle for this spiral structure, we use these 4 components, and the installation method is slightly different. Different from the previous installation method, thus forming a larger angle and a more significant area. The curvature is almost equivalent to that of a circle. You can see the obvious difference from this height. Now we just need to adjust it to the right position. Let the 4 sides complete a 90-degree rotation. Then we wouldn't be able to decorate the interior of the building, because that would not only be too costly, but also technically tricky. Using this construction method, we deliberately focus only on the exterior walls of this building. The number of bricks is gradually decreasing. We are about to reach the expected height. After several years of repeated stacking and adjustment, the basic outline has taken shape. This is simply the best construction technique that cannot be replaced, able to fit the shape so precisely. Now let's take a look at these angles. See how smooth the lines extend upwards from the sphere, and all the curves are so perfect. You can't see any edges at all. Although I originally planned to use opaque film to stick on the inner walls, because I thought the entire building would be visible at a glance. It turned out not to be the case at all, so we can skip this step. That's great. Now all that's left is to finish properly the roof part and the entire bottom structure. At first I planned to start with this spire, but that's almost impossible, because the bricks are facing in all directions. The best solution for the roof is to use this kind of wide bracket. Look, the edges fit perfectly, solid as a rock. These fences might come in handy. It depends on how the lower structure is arranged. After all, I'm still not sure. I don't know what the final effect will be. Let's start with this area at the bottom. To ensure the building is stable and reliable during transport, we'll make the entire base plate thicker. The exposed edges are made of light blue-gray bricks. The inside uses regular 2x2 bricks. Next, we just need a bunch of plates to get it done. Now we have a solid base. The 4 pillars will stand firmly on top. Then set up this platform on top. Now all that's left is to build the lower structure. But I don't have any specific ideas for this part yet. let's try to figure it out first. Maybe we can make something out of these materials. After several hours of repeated attempts, let's see what I've come up with. I decided to start over. A few days later, I found some useful references on Ping Triwits. You can find the source of this circular window frame there. But right now, I only have black parts to finish the whole project. Then let's see how this assembly works, or if I need to reorder the brick parts. And some parts are not in stock. I need to install windows on all 4 sides. So, for now, I can only make do with ordinary bricks and panels. The rest of the part. Now that I see the overall effect, I have to say, I can imagine it would look much better if it were white. The effect would be much better. In other words, we specifically ordered the white version of the parts. The bricks arrived in a few days. We installed a sliding door in the front. The door can slide smoothly between these gray parts. We also hid an Easter egg. We put a microscope version inside. However, the overall structure is not very stable. So, it's placed in this corner down here. Install these arc-shaped parts on this component. This way, the windows can present the ideal shape. It will be installed here soon. Next, let's enjoy a moment of Asmus. TSK. Now we can install the windows. These windows are actually modified from garage doors, but they fit perfectly. Now it's only the bag that hasn't been installed. Let's get it done quickly. We'll make some fine adjustments at the top, so the spiral structure can fit perfectly on top. The dream has finally come true, but there are still risks involved. Long press the like button. See you next time in the LEGO world.